Hey, what's up guys? David back. I just want to go over a couple things that we're doing currently. We ran into a couple problems with the city. The first thing that we're looking at with the city is they said there's a palm tree that where the addition's going to go. So technically that palm tree was removed. It got fungus just like this other one over here. That one's got fungus. The other one we're going to keep. So she literally just went on Google Earth and saw that there was a palm tree there. Well, actually, it was removed, professionally by an arborist in 2019, and so we took care of that problem. The second thing that we're running into is they're saying when you do 50% or more addition, like an addition to your house, they want you to put a sidewalk out front. Well, in our neighborhood, there's no sidewalks on our side of the street. They're on the other side of the neighborhood, the other side of the street. So basically it would be a sidewalk to nowhere. So currently my wife's working on that, trying to get that all figured out. Same thing with the contractor, they're trying to get that all worked out. And oh yeah, one more thing. They also want us to put some kind of retention pond, like a small one, in our backyard or a swale. But with us, we do have some kind of slope. We sent the contractor the topographic survey, and we're also trying to get that worked out. So those are the three things that are kind of slowing us down a little bit, but the contractors have been over working on doing things that they can do, moving some of the wood, some of the roofing, and some of the windows, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so I'm going to back up a little bit here. So here is the debris pile that we got here. That's all the fencing, that's all the windows over there. And I'm gonna step back over here. So see that little wooden post right there? That's technically where the addition's gonna come out to. And then here's the other one right here. So boom, right about there. It's a nice little addition, huh? What do you think? Alright, so there's the windows that they took out. We're gonna probably use some of those. So we're gonna take you inside and kind of show you what they did. They started taking out some of the ceiling. They braced up the roof because we're gonna get a whole new roof as well, of course. There's Riddick. So yeah, they've got some stuff done. Kind of pointed up there. Taking out a lot of the roof. Some of the wires, so gotta be careful. It's kind of weird walking in here and there's no windows because we used to have our office in here. Fireplace is going. This whole wall is getting blown out right here. They got the little construction table here. So things are happening right here. It's pretty exciting. Like I said, we just have some hiccups with the city that we're currently working out, getting those final permits done and applied, and we should be on our way. The schedule for this edition should be somewhere hopefully before Thanksgiving. Alright guys, check back in a week or so and we'll do more updates. Bye now.